Hey everybody, I wasn't going to do a video today. I was going to be focusing on prospecting, but instead, I went to a meeting of our affiliate marketing academy and we had a great open training by Mike Hobbs. And the topic for today was how to build a true residual income and win your freedom. And if you're trying to build residual income, recurring income in affiliate marketing, one problem that a lot of people, I would say the vast majority of people experience, is that they start building with a company, they get their recurring income established, and then what happens? The company goes out of business. And that's frustrating. And some marketers have been encountering this problem year after year after year after year. There's a lot of marketers out there that have been in so many different opportunities, so many different affiliate marketing companies that, I mean, they get in one company and their automatic response is to automatically, while they're building with that company, to be looking for the next company that they can jump to when their main company goes out of business. And I mean, gosh, this has been going on for a number of years. But Mike covered all the bases. He covered how to build a true residual income and win your personal and financial freedom without spending thousands of dollars every month. There are a lot of people that recommend, methods for creating recurring income and passive income that require, buying a house, buying a rental property, stuff like that. In affiliate marketing, you don't have to do that. Some affiliate marketing offers, they cost $3,000, $5,000 to get in on. Some maybe 10 or 20,000, and then there are other companies that you can get started with them for just about $10. $10, $25, $160, that kind of price range. Very affordable for the average person to get started in. Mike covers that. He also covered how to build your recurring income without building with a company that is a fly by night. And again, that goes back to my first point. There are a lot of companies that start off, they look really good in the beginning, but they start off, they're going great for a few months, and then something happens. They lose steam, they peter out. People find out that the company is not reputable, that it's more hype than value that they're promoting, and the company just goes out of business. Sometimes companies will go out of business within the first few months. Other times they may last for a year, 2 years, 3 years. And if they get beyond the 3 year mark, then they're probably doing pretty good. And if they get beyond the 5 year mark, man, you've really got a stable company that you're dealing with. But I mean, when you're dealing with a brand new company that's just been created, that can be exciting energy to be working with. But I mean, it's uncertain because, yeah, the company might do well for 5, 10, 20 years, but there's no guarantee. And what happens more, the rule than anything else, is that the company will tend to peter out and go bankrupt or close down, or something will happen. They'll stop their affiliate program and keep the company going. And I mean, that just sucks when you are an affiliate and you've built your income stream you think of as being a recurring monthly income stream. You build it with a company, and then the company just cuts you off for whatever reason. And that sucks. And Mike teaches how to avoid that stuff and avoiding shiny object syndrome. That's common in the affiliate marketing space. People will be looking at all the different things that are out there in affiliate marketing land. And some of them may well know that a lot of these companies will be here today, but maybe not tomorrow. So they'll think, if I build up 5 different affiliate marketing offers, that's going to be good, right? Get 5 different income streams going. And then when one cancels out, when one scams out, I've got others to fall back on. But the problem with that is that you're all over the place. You're all over the place with your energy, you're all over the place with your marketing. It's hard to be consistent while trying to promote 2, 3, 5 different companies. And I have been there, I know that. So, yeah, best to focus on one good, solid company, build your foundation there. And then once you've built your income stream with that company, if it's a true recurring residual income stream, you can step back from that, let that income keep coming in, and build up something new if that's what you want to do. But you don't have to be building up 5 different offers all at the same time. That gets hair raising, and man, just not recommended. And then the final thing that we covered was building with a company that is stable, long term, dedicated to serving the affiliates, dedicated to providing good, high quality products, not just a company that promotes something and has a really great commission plan, but the products suck. And I've been in companies like that. It's hard to sell those things with a straight face, with honesty and integrity. And one marketer I dealt with several years ago, he was brutally honest. He was promoting something that had a really great commission plan. And somebody asked him, what about the training that the company has? Does the training, is it high quality? Is it good, high quality training? He laughed and he said, who cares about the training? We got the best commission plan. So that's what I focus on, just selling that because of the commission plan. And yeah, he more or less admitted the training sucks, but the commission plan is great. And ideally, you want to find a company that is selling something of real value. That's how you find a company with integrity. If they're selling something that has real value, it tells you a few things. It tells you that they're honest. It tells you they have integrity. It tells you that they care, not just for the affiliates. Because if you're selling something of value, customers that buy it are going to stay longer. And if it's paying recurring commissions, that's better for the affiliates. If customers are constantly dropping in and then bouncing out, it's hard to build recurring income with that offer. But it's also better for the customers because they're paying out their good, hard-earned money and they're getting something of value in exchange. And that's the best way to do business. Value for value. Give good, honest value. Keep your customers happy. And your customers will just keep on, buying your product, signing up for it. If it's a membership, if it's a subscription, they will keep coming back month after month after month. That's good for the customers. They get their value. And that's good for the affiliates. Because if you got something that's paying you recurring commissions, if you can attract customers that will stay for 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, maybe 2 or 3 years, maybe longer, that's better for you because then you're able to build up recurring income. And without going into debt and without taking too many risks. So, yeah, it was a great training. I got a lot out of it. Just so I'd shoot this kind of short video, well, maybe 10-minute video, a little longer actually, but kind of share what we covered and let people know the basics, because these are basics. When you hear them, you think, okay, that's pretty much common sense, right? But these are things that a lot of affiliate marketers and network marketers out there do not figure out in the beginning. And it may take some marketers 10 years or longer to figure this stuff out. And Mike laid it out, drawing from his own experience. He laid it out in just an hour and a half. Actually, the training itself lasted about maybe an hour. And yeah, it goes through the problems, goes through the solution. And yeah, if you'd like to have access, free access to this open training, let me know. let me know in the comments down below. I will also, if you're seeing this on YouTube or Rumble, I'm going to drop that link down below in the program description. But yeah, this is excellent training. I love these guys. I love this academy. And you know what? This academy has been around since 2016. We pay 80% recurring commissions. And I mean, we just offer value. And I mean, we got a lot of great products. You can get started with us for as little as $10 a month, or you can go practically all in all in at all of the recurring levels for $160 a month. Make 2 sales at whatever level you are in at, and you're already in profit. So this is the fast track to making progress in the online world. So if you're wanting to build your first income stream, or even if you're a professional wanting to establish a new reliable income stream in affiliate marketing, we got something for everybody, I believe. I've been with this company now as a student pretty much for about 2 years, and now I am marketing it as an affiliate. So yeah, check us out, see what you think, and if nothing else, just watch this training, get some value out of it, because these principles, you can apply them to any company out there, and it can save you a lot of financial hardship and heartbreak just by paying attention to the warning signs, to the things that Mike lays out in this training. So if nothing else, watch this training and get value out of it. Okay, Ralph signing out. Have a great weekend. Catch you all later, folks. Bye-bye.